Welcome to part 1 on the Saran Wrap game. This is the how to make video. So items you will need are a couple boxes of plastic wrap. The amount of plastic wrap will vary on how many items that you are placing into your game ball. This is my 3rd year making this game. My family and I love playing this game. It is tons of fun. It doesn't have to cost a lot. You can just add simple things that are not that expensive, or you could go right on out and spend as much as you want. Now, I've seen other games where they put on oven mitts, Santa's hat, but we won't use that in our game. What we do is we wrap all the items so they're individuals. You don't know what you'll be getting until the end of the game when you open all the packages up to find out what you have received. So as my ball is pretty big, as you can see, my table is quite full, so I'm just moving all of my items aside so I have some room to stretch out the plastic wrap. Typically, you would probably put the most expensive item in the center. This is your final piece to the game, the end of the ball. So you want to wrap it in one direction. And to make it more challenging, wrap it in the opposite direction, the other way. You want to kind of keep your plastic wrap as tight as you can, so it's harder for the people to find the end of the plastic wrap. And as you keep wrapping, you want to add in other gifts. As you keep rotating your Saran Wrap ball and adding gifts, it's getting larger and larger each time. Sometimes you want to add in those dummy wraps where there's nothing in those wraps. This will give more of a challenge to the person that has their turn. So I'm just going to fast forward the video so you can watch me wrap the game ball. As you're wrapping, make sure that every piece that you wrap around is a different length. This kind of helps each time somebody unwraps a layer, it's always different. As you can see, this ball is getting quite huge. Now I do have another secret about making these game balls. So typically, depending on how many people are going to be playing this game or in this group, everybody either can purchase their own items up to a certain value or more, and they also wrap their own items in gift wrap, so this way you don't know what they have purchased. Keep in mind that every gift that you purchase should be something that everyone can use, and or something that you really would like, because you hope to win that item back. This ball is getting extremely large, so I have to use the Saran Wrap around as it sits on the table. It's getting very heavy. If you also noticed, I put most of the bigger items into the center of the ball and the smaller items on the outside of the ball. This just helps it stay more round. And because we use so much plastic wrap on this ball game, we will be playing this again next year. So we ended up saving a lot of the Saran Wrap from this game for the next game next year. This way you're not only saving money, but also saving the environment. So I've completed putting all the gifts inside this ball. Just putting a couple extra wraps around the ball for the first person to start has a little bit more challenging of a start. And there we have the how to make the Saran Wrap ball. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Please check out the next video on the Saran Wrap ball game as we play it, how we play it, and what actually items we stuck into the game. Find out also what we do with the items at the end. I will link the other video in this video at the end or in the cards. See you in the next video.